guys, and welcome back. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So basically today is going to be a detailed wash day routine. I've always wanted to put on this kind of video, and I finally have the opportunity. Plus I'll be trying out the Bentonite clay to see if I can define my coils properly, and yeah, just watch the video and see how I wash my hair, my wash the routine, and also how I define my coils in bentonite clay, and I pour cider vinegar, cider, whatever it's pronounced, but yeah. So I decided to take record of how long it took me to have this wash day. Now for my wash day, I always start with hydrating my hair. And if you've watched any of my videos washing my hair, you would know that I don't detangle my hair dry. I always try to detangle my hair wet. Although for this particular wash day, I did a little bit of detangling before the particular wash day. But then, first of all, I detangle my hair in the bathroom. So I use this stimulating shampoo from Mega Growth as the first shampoo for the day. One thing to note about my wash day is that I always wash my hair twice, and I do that mostly when I just when I just remove braids, or I've been carrying cornrows for a long time. Whenever I'm washing my hair weekly, I don't need to wash twice. I don't need to shampoo twice. So for this wash day, like I said earlier, I use the Mega Growth as the first shampoo for the day, and I like to saturate my hair properly with the shampoo and rub it in. And I also like to scrub my scalp properly to remove every single dirt. One thing I've noticed most about the first shampoo is that it doesn't foam so much. I think it's because of the dirt on my hair, so it doesn't always foam so much. And after that, I go ahead to rinse off the first shampoo and get ready for the second shampoo. Now for our second shampoo, I'll be using this shampoo for Wellice Repair Experts. This particular shampoo is ginseng and ginger concentrated, and I really love this shampoo. It foams a lot, and I always just try to use it as my second shampoo most of the time, except when I'm doing only one time shampooing and I just use it alone. But yeah, this is my favorite shampoo and my go-to shampoo all the time. I love buying this shampoo. So after quickly washing my hair, I run it through the water to remove the excess foam, or basically to wash off the shampoo, and it always leaves my hair feeling fresh and feeling really neat. So for today, my conditioner is also from Wellice conditioner, and that is what I will be using today to condition my hair. Now this conditioner really leaves my hair feeling conditioned, like I legit feel silky smooth whenever I use this particular conditioner. I also try to detangle my hair a little bit while I'm conditioning my hair. It just helps, it makes it easier for me for the next part, which is the deep conditioner. And
twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho. Make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us.
Now the first part of this today's wash day extra part is the apple cider vinegar water herrings. And the process is very just simple. But before I go ahead to say anything else, if you've never used apple cider vinegar, just know that the smell is terrible. It stinks, and I feel like I should tell you guys that. So it's just very simple. Pouring a portion of apple cider vinegar into a bottle and an equal portion of water, warm water, into that same bottle. Spray bottle to be specific, and spray it all over your hair. Now, I would also add that it hurts my eyes a lot. It did hurt my eyes a lot. So I don't know if I was being particularly sensitive about it or if it's normal. But if you're going to try this out, make sure to be aware of that. I constantly kept having to wash my face, and also I did massage this product into my hair. I think by now, if you ever watch any of my videos, you know that I love massaging things into my scalp. I just don't apply and let it go. I always massage into my scalp so that my scalp would actually get whatever nutrients of what I'm putting on my hair. For our deep conditioner today, I'll be using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner and coconut oil to mix it together. And then my major detangling process comes when I'm deep conditioning. So I always tangle from tips to the roots. So I always detangle my tips first, then I go ahead and detangle my roots. This helps me not lose so much hair, and this also makes it easier for me. And for today's wash day, I decided to only finger detangle. I decided not to detangle with any brush or any comb, just purely finger detangling. And if you don't know, Mega Growth Deep Conditioner is one of the most affordable and I think the most affordable and really good deep conditioners out there. And after I do that, I go ahead to twist my hair and divide my hair into sections, twisting them off, detangling it, and I do that all over my hair, which I then go ahead to cover my hair with a shower cap. Now, if you have a heat cap, that's perfectly okay, but I thought for now, so I use a shower cap and I leave it on my hair for at least 30 minutes while I do other things. Now, after washing off the deep conditioner, it's time for us to tangle our. So it's time for us to define our coils. And like I said, I'll be using the Indian Healing Bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. And just to make sure you don't have any complications, make sure you're using a plastic or rubber plate and spoon. I heard it's not supposed to be in contact with metal. I just did not want to try it. I don't want to be the first person to try it or whatever. So for the process, you just need to add equal parts of bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. To be sincere, I didn't add equal parts. I just added and began to apply it to my hair. And I did this process twice because the first one that I missed wasn't enough. There's no defined measurement here, but I think with a cup of bentonite clay, or half a cup of bentonite clay and half a cup of apple cider vinegar, you should be able to cover up your entire hair depending on how much hair you have. Now, for the process of application, I defined my coils as I went ahead to apply it. So while you apply it to define your coils, I made a couple of mistakes because this was my first time, but I did really love the outfit. So I went ahead to apply this bentonite clay all over my hair. And let me just tell you guys, when you mix the bentonite clay with the apple cider vinegar, it doesn't actually smell that terrible anymore. So take your time and put this through your entire hair. So this was the outcome of the application all over my hair, and I don't know, but I had this really cool feeling after applying it. I could really see my coils pop. Um, my coils have never been this defined, even when I try to do a wash and go. And for a bonus tip, this mixture can also be used as a face mask. So I applied all over my face and my neck and took a break until everything dried up.
Twist my fingers up on a bang on them.
6:29, and I think I've been having my bath. I say having my bath. I've been washing my hair for over 3 hours now, and so let's do the last part of my hair and find out how long it took me to have this entire wash day. So let's wash this baby out. Now, because you need warm water to wash this off, I had to use a bowl and a bucket to mix warm water to wash it off. And I don't even know if I was supposed to do that because now I feel like I should have used cold water. But when I made my research, I was told to use warm water. But yeah, I went ahead to rinse off this thing off my hair. Now try to actually rinse it off so you don't have the particles left. Um, you could see how defined my front hairs were. No, my front hairs were really, really, really beautifully defined, and it was very beautiful. Like, I loved the definition of my front hair. For my back hair, it had its own definition, but let's just blame myself. And yeah, um, also, this was the outcome. It did define my coils, and I wish it did more. I don't know what I was expecting. But then this is the final look, and I really loved it. So let me know in the comment section if you would definitely try out this bentonite clay. I would write down how much I bought every single thing that I used for this wash day in the comment section. Also bear in mind that prices are changing due to the inflation. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.
That day comes as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.